Hello everyone, welcome to Grey Pot. Let's try something new today. We're gonna make this Matcha Pocky Sticks. Before moving on to the recipe, click the red subscribe button and click the bell icon to get all new updates and notifications. Let's start making the Pocky Sticks. Into a bowl add in all-purpose flour, some powdered sugar and baking powder. Mix all the dry ingredients. And into that add in some cold butter. Mash the butter and mix it with the flour. Once the butter and flour is well mixed in, start adding milk. Add around 1 tablespoon but little at a time and mix. Once everything comes together into a dough like this, start rolling it. But if you feel your dough is a bit soft, you can refrigerate it for some time and then roll it. Once you roll it into a thin sheet, start cutting the sticks. The store-bought Pocky Sticks are very thin and long, so you can cut the sticks accordingly. Once you cut out the strips, take each strip and start rolling with your fingers to make it a bit more round sticks. And while rolling, you can make it more long. So roll out all the sticks in the same way. Now place the sticks carefully onto a baking tray lined with parchment paper. And while placing these strips, make sure it doesn't have any curves or bends. Keep it very straight because after baking it will become a hard cookie and you'll not be able to shape it once it is baked. Now bake this in a 170-degree preheated oven for 15 minutes. And while it's baking, let's melt some white chocolate. So for the Pocky Sticks, you can use any type of chocolate like dark, milk, white or any other flavor. So here I decided to make some Matcha Pocky Sticks. So into this white chocolate, I added some matcha powder. Depending on the flavor and shade you like, you may adjust the amount of matcha powder. So here I wanted a bit more darker shade of green, so I added a bit more matcha powder into it. Our cookie sticks got baked really well. Let's coat it with the chocolate. So take each stick and pour the matcha chocolate onto it. You can also pour the chocolate into a tall glass and dip the stick and coat it with the chocolate. But in that method, I felt you may waste a lot of chocolate, so I decided to go in this way. After pouring the chocolate, keep the sticks upside down to drip out the excess chocolate from it. And then place it like this into a bowl full of rice so that you can keep it up straight till it gets set. You can also refrigerate it for 5-10 minutes. And once it is set, our Matcha Pocky Sticks are ready. Wow, look at the texture with the chocolate coating. You can drizzle some melted chocolate on top of the sticks to get this design. So definitely try out this recipe. Leave your valuable comments and suggestions. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and Pinterest. Click the logo to subscribe to Grey Pot. Watch more interesting recipes from our channel. Thank you.